always hope.
Teka bari ibyiringiro.
Hope is the poor man's bread, Natalie.
Abona umugabo ari gushaka umufasha ariko uyu mugabo ipe wagwanye yamucanga ubundi abagamukabukira.
What do you think you're doing?
Cyo kuri gukora.
You a doctor? What are you doing in consultation?
Wakoraga icyari yakutari umuganga ubundi.
Take this.
Kira.
My job. The average cost of this ridiculousness you insist on doing no matter what.
Gukora akazi kanje.
USD.
A human's life is the subject here, a kid's life, you know. And
n'ubuzima bw'umwana muto wibibarira mu madolari ariko nawe.
It's to us. Of course they found your weak point. They'll use us much more.
Babonye uri umunyantege.
To start, right?
Umuntu bamanipira bigakunda.
Be of your business. I'm not spending your money.
Cyo bundi se kamafaranga ndi gutanga taraya urambaza iki?
Don't worry.
Ntuhangayike.
Explanation to my father if necessary.
Ndaza kubisobanura sogokuru nibiba ari ngombwa ko nshaka kuvura uriya mwana. Ni wa mwana ugendana na yamani. Wa mwana bahaye n'akagare.
Gave the results of the kid's analysis to your father. I hope you can explain your motherhood to him this time. Though, so it doesn't matter. Again at the end. Don't do this again.
Wikora ibi bintu wa mugore we. Wikwirengagiza umuryango wawe. Uri kutwirengagiza ubishaka. Kubera iki? Kikunda abana bo mu muhanda ugakara.
Ali will come back home.
Isabukuru ya Ali. Ndabizi azagaruka mu rugo umuntu.
Don't make everyone wait for this again.
Muze gutuma nanone dutegereza. Uze duserebure isabukuru yiwe hakiri kare. Nanyu